Hello everyone, welcome to Tungal online classes. Let's have next problem. Find the point at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to square root of 4x minus 3 minus 1 has its slope 2 by 3. Once again I will read the question. Find the point at which the tangent to the curve y equal to square root of 4x minus 3 minus 1 has its slope is 2 by 3. In this case, we need to find point on this curve. Slope of the tangent is 2 by 3. Suppose it is given curve. We need to find one of the point on this curve. Slope of the tangent is 2 by 3. In this case, m1 is 2 by 3. Right? Slope of the tangent line is 2 by 3. Then find the point on this curve. Slope 2 by 3 means dy by dx 2 by 3. Right? According to given data. Solution: y is equal to square root of 4x minus 3 minus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. On differentiating, y differentiation dy by dx. Root differentiation 1 divided by 2 root 4x minus 3 minus 1 its derivative 0. Sorry, after root 4x plus 3 4x minus 3 its derivative 4 only. After that minus 1 its derivative 0. This is our dy by dx. According to given question, it has slope 2 by 3, means slope of the tangent line is 2 by 3, and we know that slope of the tangent line is nothing but dy by dx. Slope of tangent is equal to 2 by 3. It has a slope 2 by 3 means slope of the tangent line is 2 by 3. Right? And take this as equation number 1 only. Slope of the tangent line is nothing but m1 only. m1 is 2 by 3. Then what is m1? m1 is nothing but dy by dx only. Right? dy by dx is nothing but m1. Then replace dy by dx value. What is our dy by dx? 4 divided by 2 root 4x minus 3 is equal to 2 by 3. After this, just rearrangement, means cross multiplication. On cross multiplication, it will be 4 into 3. Just cross multiplication. 4 into 3 is equal to 2 into 2 root 4x minus 3. Now 4 get cancelled. Means 3 is equal to square root of 4x minus 3. Our intention is to find x value and y value. Find the points on the curve, or point on the curve means we have to find x value as well as y value. So squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides, then it will be 9 is equal to 4x minus 3. Then 12 is equal to 4x. Take this minus 3 into left side. Then x equal to 3 only. Then after getting x value, we have to find y value. Put x equal to 3 in given curve. In given curve means in equation number 1. Right? Then it becomes y is equal to square root of 4 into 3 minus 3 minus 1. Then y is equal to, it will be 12 minus 3, 9, square root of 9 is 3, 3 minus 1, it is y equal to 2. Means point on the curve is x value 3, y value 2. Therefore, point on curve 1 is 3 comma 2. X comma y means 3 comma 2. This is point on the curve. One of the point on this curve when slope is 2 by 3. It is one of the important question for 3 mark, right? Slope of the tangent line, it has slope 2 by 3 means slope of the tangent line is 2 by 3. Slope of the tangent line is nothing but dy by dx. Just simplify, you get x value as well as y value. This point clearly it is lie on curve 1. This is one of the important 3 mark question. Next question. Next question, find the points on the curve find points at which otherwise I will write the question. Second question, find points at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x axis, right? Once again question, find the points at which the tangent to this curve is parallel to x axis. If you draw tangent line to this curve, right, those tangents are parallel to x axis. Y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. Take this as equation number 1 and it is given curve. Tangent to this curve are parallel to x axis. If you draw tangent line to this curve which are parallel to x axis, then already you know what is condition when tangent line parallel to x axis. If tangent is parallel to x axis, tangent line parallel to x axis means its slope 0. Slope 0 means dy by dx 0. Differentiate differentiate with respect to x. On differentiation, y derivative dy by dx, that is 3x square minus 6x minus 9. This is our dy by dx. What they have given? Tangent to the curve is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is given that tangent is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. Given that tangent line is parallel to x-axis. Once tangent is parallel to x-axis, then its slope is 0. Slope 0 means dy by dx 0. Right? Slope, if tangent is parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx equal to 0. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 0. Why? Because dy by dx equal to 0 because tangent is parallel to x-axis. Tangent line parallel to x-axis means its slope 0. Slope is nothing but dy by dx. So, dy by dx equal to 0. Slope of the tangent line is nothing but dy by dx. So, slope 0 means dy by dx 0. Already we have dy by dx. That is 3x square minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. Taking 3 common and get cancel, x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Just factorize this quadratic expression. Product of two numbers should be minus 3 and those sums should be equal to minus 2. Means minus 3 and plus 1. If you multiply minus 3 and plus 1, it will be minus 3. If you add minus 3 and plus 1, it will be minus 2. So, x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. Means x minus 3 into x plus 1 equal to 0. On simplification, next, product of two factors equal to 0 means x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 1. There are 2 points on this curve when a tangent is parallel to x-axis. There are 2 cases. Case 1, if x equal to 3, then what is corresponding y value? Put x equal to 3 in equation number 1. Put x equal to 3 in equation number 1. Put first case x equal to 3 in 1. Put x value 3 here. Then y is equal to 3 cube means 27 minus 27 because 3 into 3 square minus 27 plus 7. On simplification, it will be plus 29 minus 29 get cancel minus 20. Means one of the point is 3 comma minus 20. This is one of the point on the given curve. Similarly, second case, put x value minus 1 in equation number 1. Right? Put x equal to minus 1 in equation number 1, then corresponding y value is y is equal to 1 minus 1 whole thing power 3 is minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 plus 7. then it will be y is equal to 16 minus 4 12. 16 minus 4 that is 12. Another point minus 1 comma 12. These 2 points lie on the curve when tangent is parallel to x-axis. Otherwise take this as case 1 and this is case 2. Lastly write the conclusion. Therefore points on curve 1 are 3 comma minus 20 and minus 1 comma 12. These 2 points lie on the curve when tangent is parallel to x-axis. Tangent line is parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx equal to 0. When tangent is parallel to y-axis, then dy by dx equal to infinity, right? Differentiate, then equate dy by dx to 0. Why? Because tangent is parallel to x-axis, right? Next question. Find a point on the curve. Next question. Find a point. Find a point on the curve. On the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4, right? This is the question. Find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining these 2 points, right? Suppose this is given curve and this is tangent line. This is tangent, right? What they have given is chord joining 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4, right? Tangent is parallel to this chord joining these 2 points. Otherwise take this one. This is 2 comma 0 and 4 comma 4, right? Chord joining. Tangent is parallel to chord joining these 2 points. Chord means any 2. Line joining any 2 points on the curve is nothing but chord. What they have given is tangent is parallel to chord joining these 2 points. Tangent line parallel to given chord. Once 2 lines are parallel, tangent is a straight line, chord is also a straight line. Then if two lines are parallel, then what is condition? Tangent line, sorry, parallel lines and perpendicular lines. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes equal to -1. Right? Clearly, tangent line and chord joining these 2 points are parallel. Solution: y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Right? X minus 2 whole square, this is given curve. Tangent to this curve is parallel to line joining these 2 points. Differentiate given curve with respect to x. On differentiation, we get dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 2 into x minus 2 into 1. First power differentiation, then x minus 2 differentiation, x minus 2 differentiation 1 only. This is slope of the tangent line. What is slope? Slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx. We know that slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx. After that, tell me what is slope of AB. I will take these 2 points as A and B. What is slope of the chord? Slope of chord AB equal to. Can you tell me slope of chord AB? From first PUC. Slope of line joining 2 points. Formula: slope of line joining 2 points is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Right? So this is x2 y2, this is x1 y1. So 4 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 2. That's equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Means slope of the chord AB is 2. And given that tangent is parallel to chord AB. Right? Tangent line parallel to chord AB means slope of the tangent is same as slope of chord AB. Given that slope of tangent is parallel to chord AB. Tangent is parallel to chord AB means slope of the tangent is equal to slope of chord AB. Because if once lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Tangent line slope means dy by dx. In this case, dy by dx equal to slope of chord AB. What is slope of chord AB? That is 2 only. Then already we have dy by dx. Our dy by dx is 2 times x minus 2 is equal to 2. Then 2x minus 4 is equal to 2. Then 2x equal to 6. Then x equal to 3 only. Right? Just simplification. X equal to 3. Then put x equal to 3 in a given curve. Then you get corresponding y value. Then y is equal to 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 whole square. Put x value 3 here. Then it will be y is equal to 1. What is point notation? 3 comma 1. And it is not an interval, it is point. Therefore, point on curve 1 is 3, 1. In this case, only one point is possible when a tangent is parallel to chord joining these 2 points. Chord is nothing but line joining any 2 points on the curve. These model problems are important for 3 mark, right? Find the points or point on the curve, right? Next question. Find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve. X square by 9 plus y square divided by 16 is equal to 1, at which tangents are, first condition, tangents are parallel to tangents are parallel to x-axis. Second condition, tangents are parallel to y-axis. In these 2 cases, we have to find points on the curve, right? X square divided by 9 plus y square divided by 16 equal to 1. Take this as equation number 1. When you draw tangent to this curve which are parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis, then what are the points? It is given curve. When tangent lines are parallel to x-axis, then find the points on the curve. When tangent lines are parallel to y-axis, then find the points on the curve. Just differentiate with respect to x. On differentiation, 2x divided by 9 only. 1 by 9 constant as it is, x square differentiation 2x only, plus y square differentiation 2y into dy by dx. Denominator 1 divided by 16, or denominator constant as it is, right side we have 1, its differentiation 0. Then dy by dx equal to, what is dy by dx? Minus 2x divided by 9 into 16 divided by 2y. 2 get cancelled. Then dy by dx equal to, what is dy by dx here? Minus 16 divided by 9 into x divided by y. This is our dy by dx. After getting dy by dx, look at first condition. Look at first condition, parallel to x-axis. First condition, tangents are parallel to x axis. Already you know, if tangents are parallel to x axis, then dy by dx equal to 0, right? Dy by dx equal to 0. Why? Because tangent lines are parallel to x axis. Tangent line parallel to x axis means slope of the tangent is 0. Slope of the tangent line 0 means dy by dx 0. That's equal to minus 16 divided by 9 into x divided by y is equal to 0. dy by dx equate to 0. Once dy by dx equate to 0, cross multiplication you get x equal to 0. X value 0 means put x equal to 0 in equation number 1. X value 0 in equation number 1 means you get first term clearly 0 plus y square divided by 16 equal to 1 means y is equal to plus or minus 4. Therefore, points on curve 1 are 0 comma plus or minus 4 means 0 comma plus 4 is one point and 0 comma minus 4 another point when tangents are parallel to x axis. And look at second condition, tangents are parallel to y axis. Once tangent lines are parallel to y axis, then dy by dx is not defined. Dy by dx equal to infinity means not defined. Not defined is nothing but 1 by 0. So minus 16 divided by 9 into x divided by y is equal to 1 by 0, right? Just cross multiplication, then we get y equal to 0. Then cross multiplication, then we get y equal to 0. On cross multiplication and simplification, y equal to 0. Put y equal to 0 in equation number 1 means x square divided by 9 plus 0 is equal to 1. Because y value 0 means y square is also 0. 0 divided by anything, that is 0 divided by 16 is also 0. Then x square is equal to 9. X equal to plus or minus 3. Then after getting x value and y value, points on curve 1 are plus or minus 3 comma 0. These 2 points lie on the given curve when tangents are parallel to y axis. Tangent lines are parallel to y axis means slope not defined, right? Next question. Next question. Find the points on the curve. Find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0, at which tangents are parallel to x axis. At which tangents are parallel to x axis. We need to find point on this curve at which tangents are parallel to x-axis. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This is given curve. Just differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x plus 2y into dy by dx. Y square differentiation minus 2 equal to 0. Then 2y into dy by dx equal to 2 minus 2y, not 2y, minus 2x. Then dy by dx equal to 2 minus 2x divided by 2y. Lastly, dy by dx equal to 2 common, then 1 minus x divided by y. This is our dy by dx. After getting dy by dx, look at the condition. Tangents are parallel to x-axis. Once tangent lines are parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx equal to 0. If tangents are parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx equal to 0. Already we discussed this point. Tangents are parallel to x-axis means dy by dx equal to 0. We have dy by dx here. Implicit function. Differentiation. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. X square differentiation 2x, y square differentiation 2y into dy by dx minus 2x differentiation minus 2 minus 3 differentiation 0, 0 differentiation 0 only, and take these two terms into right side, then minus 2 becomes plus 2, this plus 2x becomes minus 2x. After that dividing with 2y, taking 2 common, then 1 minus x divided by 1 minus y. Means 1 minus x divided by y is equal to 0. Cross multiplication, then 1 minus x equal to 0, then x equal to 1. Then put x equal to 1 in a given curve, because we need a point. Point means both x as well as y coordinate. Already we get the x value. Then 1 square plus y square, then minus 2 minus 3. Put x value. Put x value 1, then 1 square is 1 only, y square remains as it is, minus 2 minus 3. Then y square is equal to, send it to RHS, minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 means plus 4. Then y square is equal to, y is equal to plus or minus 2, right? Y equal to plus or minus 2, 4, y is equal to plus or minus 2. There are 2 points, therefore points on curve 1 are 1 comma plus or minus 2, means one of the point is 1 comma 2, other point 1 comma minus 2. According to given condition, there exist 2 points on this curve, that is 1 comma plus 2 and 1 comma minus 2. Okay. With this problem, I will stop today's class. Thank you.